Hello, my name is Evan. This is my YouTube channel. Say hello to Evan. Hello. What's up, folks? All right, check it out. I was just introduced to this song by the Builders and the Butchers, and it's called Bringin' Home the Rain. My man Jesse, that I just connected with on the internet, I found the song on his page and it blew me away, and I was like, I'm gonna do that song. So here it is right here. Bringin' Home the Rain. Bloodshot, your eyes drop and the skin's all wearing thin, and there's no one here to tell you about the depth of the water or the trouble that you're in. You're dancing with your demons, baby. You forgot your former life, and it was hard swimming once, now you're daily diving. I'm bringing home the rain. There's no supper on the table. My feet are in the flames. I'm drying out again. Yeah, yeah. Well, all your kin are gone on to fields all bathed in sun, and the only thing left in your possession is an empty bottle and a gun. The weekends come and go like the tides, and then they soak you to the neck, and pretty soon the weekdays are the same. I'm bringing home the rain. No supper on the table. My feet are in the flames. I'm drying out again. I'm bringing home the rain. Bringing home the rain. Baby's crying in the cradle. My feet are in the flames. I'm drying out again. Evil are the demons that haunt you, forgetting what it was they taught you. Now there's no one here to stop you or catch you when you drop. You're as evil as the demons that haunt you, forgetting what it was they taught you. Now there's no one here to stop you or to catch you when you drop. Evil as the demons that haunt you, forgetting what it was they taught you. Now there's no one here to stop you or to catch you when you're bloodshot, your eyes drop and the skin's all wearing thin, and there's no one here to tell you about the depth of the water or the trouble that you're in. Yeah, you're dancing with the demons, baby. Forgot your former life, and it was hard swimming once, now you're daily diving in. supper on the table. My feet are in the flames. I'm trying out again. I'm bringing home the rain. Bringing home the rain. Baby's crying in the cradle. My feet are in the flames. I'm drying out again. I'm bringing home the rain. Yeah. No supper on the table. My feet are in the flames. And the ceiling is closing in. Ceiling's closing in. Yeah. My feet are in the flames. Yeah. I'm bringing home rain. Thank you. Woo! Yes. Well, that was fun and awesome. I hope you all got a kick out of that, especially you, Jesse. Thank you so much for introducing me to that song. You didn't mean to, but it was there. And obviously you have a great appreciation for music. Thank you for the kind words you said about my attempt at I Am the Highway, which I sent to Jesse. He was commenting on our Chris Cornell fan page about I Am the Highway, and so I was like, let me send this to this guy, he'll appreciate it. And then we immediately kind of connected, and really interesting guy. He's in Michigan and has a lot of great ideas. I'm hoping to continue to connect with you, Jesse. Real big YouTuber, promoter of people and fan of people. It's really cool, dude. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon, hopefully, and I hope everybody enjoyed that. I might come back with another video today because I wasn't planning on doing this song, and I have another one I'm excited about, so I think I might do that too. It's the police. All right, say goodbye, Mr. Big Skull. Okay, take care, everybody. Love is love. Bye. I said bye.